Hi everyone! On the run up to Christmas, we thought we'd show you how to make some Christmas decorations.
All you'll need for both of these activities is paper, scissors and glue. First, we're going to make paper chains. Start by cutting paper into long strips. If your little one is capable of using scissors, you can draw lines on the paper for them to cut along. This is great practice for them at using scissors. Once you've got your strips, you can begin to make your chain. Start by making a circle with your first strip and use glue to fix the two ends together. Then make a next circle and the next circle, linking them through each other each time. You could use this as an opportunity to talk together about shapes, colours and patterns, or as a turn-taking activity. Your turn to do a loop and my turn to do a loop. Or you put the glue on and I will stick, or vice versa on both of those. The next decoration we're going to make is a Christmas wreath from handprints. You can do this by drawing around your child's hands on a piece of paper and then cutting them out like we have here. Or you could do it by making handprints with paint and cutting those out. We've used a paper plate that we've cut the middle out of to make our wreath, but you could cut a circle out of paper or cardboard and use that as a base instead for your decoration. Stick your handprints around the edge of the circle so they appear like leaves. You can add some decorations too. We've made some holly for our wreath, but you could decorate yours with glitter or baubles, anything you like. I hope you've had lots of fun making some easy Christmas decorations for your house.